Baik mau saya manong pigawe yang ba. Kumanya Kam Dei Shuh Jaintia. Kano kulo kabawan kabalong kabarit na kabahay na piye di ban simeksyon atoy. Bi dari wa kikyan ni department kinumyam ni kinung.
Hadian kejingklat langut ki habren hakishnong umtangling haribhoi district na kejishabat boarding electric Mla ko umroi ba daman ba lamari Mynta Sngi ulalet syakate kishnong manit ngolem ni kalong yeng kablama ni kejing ktamen siam hadian makila do no yalaki khon ba ye ta na kadaw kejing thormor bat kejing bom shimkhya katnat Meecl bat ta hadian kate kejing net ngolem Mla ringkat uba rangkan sai kharbuki MDC barim kilalet bniah kundu bariki officer katnat Meecl ha umyam banyakran markmat halor kejing do nong kite hilaingon kimen siam ha kate kejing net kundu na kalyang uba daman ba lamari ulat Takraiñ ki officer katnat Meecl halor kejing bom shimkhya jongki yakakam wat hadian borang ba shnong ko umtangling ulat deban ujor halor kejing ma jongki signar electric ha kate kishnong hinrei kam shamdan kanu kejing shimkhya tat hadu balaingut ki habren kundu sendan yala kejing im Ula ongru balajin bakatnat Meecl kashimkhya mardor kate kejingja Kam Dei banjia hinrei dei kejing bom shimkhya kabla wanrah kejingja kabasngosi kaba amla ban batai katno kikmi kikpa bat ki bai bathon ki pangnut ya kejing do no ikite ki habret hakarta kabadang khenna shushu ula ongru bakum kini kejingja Kam Dei bandang jia shu nangni shikman bat ki officer Kam Dei ban ab Haduh Da Iap jingtho ya kam yap kam im hinrei ki ban shimkhya mardor habadon kanu kejing ujor bat kum ki officer ki ban burom ki paidbah ki balet ban kendo yaki
Layak komplain berbalik lawan orang suki tambah kata jing thol film air kata ngatip ngala kali kat kini ini nak mana kali ha baik mau saya manong pigawe yang ba kumanya Kam Dei Shuh Jaintia kano kulo kabawan kabalong kabarit na kabahay na piye di ban simeksyon atoy bi dari wa kikyan ni department kinumyam ni kinung.
Yang betul kalau mendaki, habana jangan tu kan do.
Utkut wayar itu.
Utkut wayar kan. Kahap dia kahap kasih tinggi lah berpedik yang kita uthap dah.
Nakaliam local headman jo tanda jo. Wan approach.
Yes. Please arrange water for sir.
Wan approach yang verbally approach. Hak bedai bag usana elektrik belajar de kun isa kan dia. Dan nakaliam jo hi ngamtik bedai nakala ko basu wanrah dari jingtho.
Emang kita
Ngasih ubat pengkumne. Dah baburon ini ejung itu baik orang ada. Iya, take action no. Akan right, akan por ke babel. Ngam tharai bikin gila buat begini ya. Dia kan kalau pergi kalau jinglong negligent ya keduti joki pun ke Meecl kena soye. Malah dia sim kaya marpat di mensembri umlok menilai ka. Dan tai saya narisa setang little bit setang bendekor. Dia kalau don ba komplain la duat komplain wat kena le. Pide ban respon.
kalau mereka buat ktien ini. Saya yang elemen tu bi sunsun berreport.
Yang kila report.
Kila ni toyo nak saya
Yang lawan lang doktor itu. Doktor Maulong. Doktor Maulong bu local headman dilawan yang kenduri.
Saya ni lawan belum seleksi dah.
Dia nanti buat gambar, kami akan tim dengan buat kabar mingin lah kan dia. Mula kalau boleh beli menewam tu, gua boleh kerja aku ni. Jingïada aku ni nak lagi nak shnong ki orang nak lagi bom sim kaya jom Meecl. Lada Meecl ke sim kaya kinem yap kini kita lagi. Nama from time to time kita a lot complaints from Meecl. Tak berapa beli ki rural headman. Nyimdai tan baniah prosedur orang ajing tau. Barbali betul penting tu jadi berpedi. Ndai than bar omni ko officially dari jinto. Negeri Umroi.
Kalau pandai, dah ubah umur kata jepit ong. Kalau kalau pandai patah tu pergi joki kat kylleng. Kata Khubor. Because he's saying that now he hasn't got any information about this. How come? Yeah, more than 10 times they came. The headman of Kam here to complain regarding this. How come? Maybe maybe the JE is not interested at all. Just come here.
Sir, JE is a lady who is like on contractual actually. On contractual lady, contractual. But from her, this one appearance also doesn't seem that like she will talk in a rough way or she will not do anything. Doesn't look like that. See, very sober and
to be this thing, since you are a senior most officer in this office. I want all these things to, from now onwards, from now onwards, from this thing, from today onwards, they shouldn't interact with the people rudely. Lots of things. Regarding him also complaint has come, don't mind. Regarding him also complaint have come, and regarding him also, SDO. He's the SDO of that area, no? Regarding him also a lot of complaint. I'll be very frank in front of you, I'll speak openly. Lots of complaint have come. Then from now onwards, to please, whenever the people will come here, please accept them and please respond to them. The only thing I don't want anything from you. I don't have anything to take or give from you. I only want work and cooperation with the people. If you cooperate with them, they will automatically cooperate with you. Whether it's a small thing or bad thing, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, please take action on that particular time itself, if it's possible. That's my order as an MLA from here. Because जो भी क्या होता है, whatever happened there, whether it's that case or any whatever case that, the people always come to me only, MLA. So that is my humble request to you, Mr. Datta.
We have got the name, sir, but this is not clearly defined as nominee, no. Okay. He has mentioned as that they are like parents, but exact nominee has to be certified because they will be checked, no.
Okay, you don't worry about that. I think so. Today they won't be free. The headman won't be free today because three people that are the same village.
Yes.
No. So tomorrow is a holiday.
Monday. No problem, sir. Monday. But it has to be in the letterhead where he certify that they are a nominee.
We'll do one thing. Let him come. Maybe he won't be fluent in speaking with you because by English or Hindi, na?
Yeah.
He will speak to us.
Yes.
Sabah time ni. Besok ni orang sunyi tu mau. Kita mana ni main ni torture ni wan kuat kam. Hero putri kam ha. Kipai baru ni hulu. Tapi ni super pi. Mau kata ada saya mana ni torture ni. Mau ngirat kam ni ka kumni baru barister job hero ngirat kam ni ka teamwork. Dalam ka teamwork, dalam kam ni expert. Dalam ka teamwork tak pun force ni. Please, kata mau. Tell me do one thing.
Yes.
I'll send him on Monday.
Yeah.
And maybe he'll come to you here.
Yeah.
Then the SDO money will brief whatever to do. He brief you come and talk. Now we can let you know we talk. Can let it compulsion. And I just wanted to ask what kind of compensation is there? Like what type of compensation? Financially or financially? Like how much? Like I just want to distinguish.
Sir, actually, in terms of fatal is 1.5 lakhs.
Yes.
But sir, I think our CMD was thinking that like we will talk to the CM today because this is a very like child of children. If we can do something extra also. He was telling me, give me the report first. I'll go to the report. Then I will see what can be done.
Regarding this, regarding this, I won't give it to you.
Yes.
Me and you will be the main responsible.
Correct. From you, sir, also you have to push.
I'll push.
We are abide by the SKCR this one, no rules. So you, sir, what you can do from your level to from our level, we cannot do.
No, I'll speak to the high command. They'll do something.
Yes.
From which is to give usually they'll increase a little bit more.
Yes. If they can
Because
do
this death is not it's an unfortunate death though. It's not that they are saying or something.
Yes.
It's unfortunate death. No, it's an accident, injury death. Okay.
Even for our staff, sir, 1.5 will be. What's the problem, though?
Okay.
1.5 lakhs for 1 year.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.